Hello everyone, in front of me is NUBIA Z60 Ultra, and let me show you how to change lock and sound. So at first enter resettings, then go to sound and vibration, scroll all the way down and enroll more sound settings. And here you will notice screen lock and sound. Open and choose the one that you want to use. Let me choose magnet, and as you can hear, now it is active. If you will change it to bubble, you will hear bubble sound. Wakey wakey. And again. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.